Amen, amen. Blessings and glory, wisdom, thanksgiving, and honor, power and might be unto the Lord forever and ever. Amen, amen. Blessings and glory, wisdom, thanksgiving, and honor, power and might be unto the Lord forever and ever. Amen. For who is like you, Lord, in all the earth? Matchless love and beauty, endless worth. Nothing in this world can satisfy. Jesus, you're the cup that will run dry. Who is like you, Lord, in all the earth? Oh, matchless love and beauty, endless worth. Nothing in this world can satisfy. My Jesus, you're the cup that will run dry. For your presence is heaven to me. Oh, your presence is heaven to me. Mighty God, your presence, it is heaven to me. Your presence, it's heaven to me. Also thee can come Mary thee and get you. Yeah, we can. Oh, get it. Also thee can come Mary thee and get you. Yeah, we can. Oh, get it. Come, for you are good, you are kind. I have never seen your kind. I'm devoted to your praise and forever to your name. You are good, yes, you are kind. I have never seen any God like you. I'm devoted to your worship and forever to your praise. For you're my King, You're my Lord. You make everything alright. Esther is devoted to your praise, and forever to your name. You're my King. You're my healer. You make everything alright. Esther is devoted to your grace, and forever to your name. Oh, you are good and you are kind. I have never seen anyone like you. I'm devoted to your worship. I'm devoted to your praise. I'm devoted to your worship, and forever to your name. Jesus, He told me, He did quiet tonight. He carried to Jemadu. What the only digagi. He did now need me. He did quiet tonight. He carried to Jemadu. What the only What